Hello there guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make this infographic which is animated in PowerPoint in just 4 minutes. So let's start. First of all, what we're going to do is make this shape as I showed in the shot before. So yeah, just make this shape, and what we're going to do is duplicate it, and next we're going to put it onto the right side of the first shape. And then I'm just gonna rotate like this and put both the shapes together. And here we go. Yeah, so here we are. Next we are gonna give it this gradient color, and then insert like an infographic, and what we're gonna do is insert your text and icons and change the fill to white. Yeah, so next what we're gonna do is now duplicate that shape and then send it to the back, change its fill to white. Here we go. Now we're gonna send it to the back of the main infographic. Perfect. And then we are gonna change the background fill of our the background fill of our template. Here we go. Perfect. The next thing we have to do is give the animation. So first of all, we are gonna make sure that this is just in a nice form. Alright, here we go. The next thing we are gonna do is just adjust the shapes on top of each other. Perfect. Next, let's add a 5 number shadow. Now let's give the second number shadow to the previous shape that is in the back. Yeah, so yeah, we are here. Now let's give it animation, and the animation I'm gonna use is just wipe or fly in, and the effect that I'm gonna use wipe and from bottom. For start, let's go for with previous, and for duration I'm gonna go for 1. Perfect. Here we go. So yeah, these are the animations. Yeah, so done. Next, what we're gonna do is, after giving the animations, we are just gonna put the shapes in there, and done. For the shapes, I'm gonna use the simple zoom option for the text box and the icons. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.